Hey crafters, welcome back to the attic. I'm going to be doing a really quick video today, but I want to start off by saying I sincerely apologize for a mistake I made yesterday in yesterday's giveaway. If you're in my Facebook group or you saw the post here on YouTube, you may see that I accidentally left off some names out of the wheel. When I copied over the names from my list into the wheel of names, I somehow cut off some of the names and I didn't get everyone on here. So to make sure everything is completely fair, I wanted to remove yesterday's winner. Tammy will still get her 3 kits of choice from my Etsy shop, but I took her name off and I made sure I triple checked everybody that was eligible to include them in today's drawing. And I want to go back and fix that error, and so I'm going to do a second drawing today, and that means we'll have 2 winners. Yesterday's winner, which was Tammy, and if you missed that video, you can go back and check that out, and then we'll have a winner today, and both of the winners will receive any 3 kits from my Etsy shop that they choose. And I want to thank you again for your patience, understanding, and I truly appreciate this amazing community. So now let's do the drawing and see who our second winner is. Patty Haberger. Congratulations, you are the second winner for the giveaway. So please contact me at lottiesmagicatic@gmail.com or DM me on Facebook and I'll let you know exactly how to pick your 3 kits. And again, thank y'all so much for your patience and understanding. Sometimes life just gets a little bit crazy and we make some mistakes, but I did want to correct that mistake and make sure it was fair for everybody that put in the hard work and effort into the Widow's Cove entries and not exclude anybody. So until next time, y'all take care, and I'll see you again here in the attic very soon.